Are you frustrated that the NBA app keeps crashing? It's a common issue and can disrupt your game time. In this video, we'll troubleshoot the NBA app effectively. First, let's check your internet connection. A weak signal causes the app to misbehave. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network for the best performance. Next, make sure the app is updated. Updates often include bug fixes. Visit your app store and check for updates. Now, let's clear the app cache. This helps remove temporary files that might cause crashes. In your device settings, find the NBA app and clear its cache. If it's still not working, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves issues. Power off your device, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Another step is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you have a fresh installation. Go to your app store, uninstall the NBA app, then reinstall it. Check for device compatibility too. Ensure your device meets the NBA app system requirements. If your device is outdated, it may struggle with newer apps. Finally, reach out to NBA support if issues persist. They can provide specialized assistance. Use their website or support email for help. To summarize, check your internet, update the app, clear cache, restart your device, reinstall the app, and ensure device compatibility. You can troubleshoot the NBA app with these steps. Don't let technical issues spoil your game time. Give these tips a try today.